Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the crispy, just baked vegetarian naan bites from Walmart. Don't know what the brand is here. Maybe just crispy is the name of the brand. But these are little flatbreads that you can dip in some hummus. They're so good. I love these a lot. So you can bake them a little bit. I'm just going to have these just as is. And 160 calories per 60 grams, which is 4 pieces. We have 4.5 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbohydrates, and 5 protein, 350 milligrams of sodium. So, cool. They're just your average, everyday naan dippers. So, I'm going to do what these do best and dip them and then give my review. So, I just did a review on this supremely spicy hummus that was not supremely spicy. Oh, and we're losing it. Huh. Pretty good though. Some pretty good naan. Mix it up, get a little spiciness in there. Ooh. These are really good. They got good texture to them. And they're perfect for dipping. Cool. Ingredients: water, wheat flour, water, canola oil, sugar, salt, butter, milk powder, yeast, butter, sodium bicarbonate, lactic acid, ascorbic acid, L-cysteine, hydrochloride, plant source, vegetable monoglycerides, wheat gluten, preservatives, emulsifier. Contains wheat, soy, and milk. May contain sesame seeds and barley. They're pretty good though. Like, I would give these 7.5 out of 10. Like, they're great for dipping. I've had a lot of other naan dippers. They're all good. They go really well with hummus. I love hummus. I love these. They're all great. You can get these at Walmart, Canada. That's where I picked mine up. They're vegetarian, so that's pretty cool. And they taste really good. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.